Hello, my name is Cathy. I am an orofacial myofunctional therapist, but I'm a Munchee user, and I also recommend the use of a Myo Munchee to many of my clients. There are a couple of things that we need you to understand, whether you have been recommended a Munchee or whether you have decided to purchase the Munchee yourself, that will help you get the best out of your Munchee. Using a Myo Munchee is a powerful little tool, and it certainly helps folks develop the chewing and the swallowing and the breathing technique, which is essential for optimal oral health, growth, and development. So whatever your age or the age of your little ones, it is important for you to understand a few of the concepts. To get the best care and the best life out of your Munchee, we need to munch on it, not over chew. And I'm going to demonstrate now the correct way to chew on your Munchee. This first one will be chewing on the Munchee without the handle. And I'm going to pop that in now, and I'm going to show you how to chew. Okay, I want you to watch what's happening in my mouth, okay, and my face muscles, and also when I have a little swallow, what's happening with my throat, because that means the correct swallow is occurring. Did you notice that when I was swallowing, that the rest of my face actually stayed quite relaxed and soft, and it was only this part that was moving? That meant that my tongue was doing all the swallow. If you have somebody that is using a Munchee with or without a handle, and they are beginning to use their face to help them with their swallow, it's a good idea to break down the way they are munching on their Munchee. And so particularly, I'm going to show you the one now with the handle, because if you're guiding your children, you have your lips together on the handle and you just get them to chew very gently to begin with so that they can get that chew and swallow technique going. So what you'll notice here is that when I'm swallowing, I am not munching. And then you can concentrate on the swallow, and it takes a little while for them to get to learn that. And if you are guiding your child through that, then that's one of the things that you will know, that their tongue is being actively engaged in the swallow. Now I'm going to demonstrate that. When you saw me munching up and down. That is the best place to start. Now, often if you're guiding young children, they will want to chew all the way around. They'll want to turn, particularly if their little bites are not quite correct. What they'll want to do is they'll want to sort of chew it on one side or turn it around a little bit. And I'm going to show you that. This is an incorrect munching technique, and it actually leads to the destruction of the Munchee. I'm choosing to use the one with a handle because most of the children will start out using one with a handle. And the reason for that is so their little lips can rest on that handle, and you get that good oral resting position of lips closed. That, my friends, is an incorrect Munchee use. The other thing which will destroy your Munchee is allowing the children to chew on the side like this. This will destroy your Munchee. Now, after you have used your Munchee, it is a good idea always to give it a good rinse. So rinse it under some running water, clean out any little food particles that might be there just by opening it up and allowing the water to flow all the way through. And then give it a shake, a gentle wipe, perhaps on some paper or some towel, or a little shake like that on the towel, and then store it somewhere where it can dry, somewhere where it's safe. And what I need you to know about the munchie is that storing it somewhere safe means away from your pets. Did you know that animals love chewing on the munchie? And if you had seen the way I was chewing on that side thing, can you imagine what a doggy would do? So if you have pets that like to chew on things, please keep your munchie away from them, because they're designed for human munching, not pet chewing. All the best with your use of your munchie. It is an important tool, and it really does help develop facial strength and tone and some coordination in the chew, swallow, breathe, which then flows on to all facets of your life. If you need a little further help and advice using your munchie, you can always contact one of our munchie practitioners. Until then, happy munching. And as we say in Australia, until next time, hooroo.